First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today's part one of the stock AU drift car build, just to show you how simple it is. Today we're welding the diff in there, and we're throwing some wheels on the front and some spacers, and we're going to send it later this week. Stay tuned. Fresh juices. Alright, so we're draining the oil right now. We're going to pull off the Watts link, handbrake cable to the side, we'll open up the back and zap it up. Just letting the differential cool down before we whack oil in. Give it a clean, give the back cover a clean, whack it together, put oil in, go for sends. The diff is done, it's all welded, covers back on, oil's back in. That's it for the rear end. On the front we're going to put some spacers, we'll bring the wheels out a bit, we're going to run some better tyres on the front as well. On the back we're going to put some more second-hand tyres. Known thing to do, these tyres are brand new and they're very sticky, so we're going to take them off. We're going to put some slippery tyres on. It can be a new tyre, important to check what type of tread rating it is. So we're going to do that. So let's get the stock wheels off, disgusting steelies, with brand new tyres, and we're fitting up some 35mm bolt-ons, so that was what. And then we'll put on some 17-inch wheels. That'll give us a little bit more track in the front, so in a way a little bit more lock, but more or less better handling, straight out in the front. We're going to literally leave all the suspension standard apart from that, just to show you how these don't really handle, but how much fun you can have on such a little budget with a little bit more wheel track on the front, a little bit more front end grip, and go out for a blast. This one's even got busted shocks in it, so it should be extra bug. Checking the ball joints, naturally AU, first thing you want to check. Seem to be alright, so someone's put a recent rebuilt rack in it, so that's a bonus. Sway bar rack, it's not really bent. Just doing a check before we send it, because we're going to be jumping this thing within moderation. No back flips. They just want to see kind of where it's got. These has got about 300,000. It's pretty good shape. What's happening? Don't really know just yet. Alright guys,